Rahim. My name is Aamer Alyzaee. I am a teacher cum trainer and teaching in different universities as visiting faculty. I am an industries person having more than 20 years of work experience in multinational organization. I have started converting my professional experience via my deliver lectures on my YouTube channel. This will help students to grab knowledge in this technological era. At first, I will be focusing economics. Starting lectures on managerial economics. This will be 3 to 4 streams in total. Each lecture will be between 5 to 10 minutes duration to keep the students intact in small patch of time instead of long lectures. Coming to the point, my lectures will be in Urdu and English, both focusing the audience. 7. We discussed various types of cost curves and least cost combinations. So we try to understand these basics of these topics. In current lecture of lecture 8, we will be discussing equilibrium, break-even point and importance of managers, so stay tuned. First, we will start to have basic understanding on revenue. Revenue क्या है? The earning of a firm is called revenue. It equals quantity sold into the price of the product. So total revenue की equation क्या बनती है कि TR is equal to price into quantity. So when a firm sells more output given price, its TR increases, total revenue increases. So thus total revenue increases with say defined price in imperfect competition. So in imperfect markets, monopoly, oligopoly and monopolistic competition, the firm is free to fix its own price. So monopolistic या oligopoly competition के अंदर अगर हम examples की बात करते हैं, तो जिस तरह OPEC कंट्रीज़ हैं वो एक oligopoly की कैटेगरी में जाते हैं कि 5-6 बड़े ममालिक हैं कि जो अपनी मर्ज़ी से ऑयल की प्राइसेस को फिक्स कर रहे होते हैं. यहाँ मोनोपोली की बात आएगी तो पाकिस्तान में हम थोराया की एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, तो वो अपनी प्राइस फिट इन करेगा. और अगर सिर्फ टोयोटा मौजूद होगा तो वो मोनोपोलिस्टिक में जाएगा. अगर सिर्फ टोयोटा और होंडा होगा तो वो ओलिगोपोली में जाएगा, तो वो अपनी मर्जी की प्राइसेस फिक्स कर रहे होंगे. There is no market price per individual prices. So to sell more, the firm has to lower its prices. Therefore, the average revenue curve will be sloping downward. So total revenue will not increase continuously, but will dip downwards after a maximum. Calculate the revenue in imperfect competition. So this table will explain and you will understand it in a good way that if price is 10 और quantity हमारे पास 1 आती है तो total revenue 10 हो जाता है, एवरेज रेवेन्यू भी 10 है, मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू भी 10 है. अगर हमारे पास प्राइस 9 है और क्वांटिटी 2 kg है तो टोटल रेवेन्यू हमारे पास 18 हो जाएगा. एवरेज रेवेन्यू इस फार्मूला के तहत 9 और मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू 8 आएगा. इफ़ द प्राइस इज़ 3 एंड द क्वांटिटी इज़ 8 kg, so टोटल रेवेन्यू P and Q को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 24 आ जाएगा. एवरेज रेवेन्यू विल रिमेन 3 and the marginal revenue will be on -4. So with this table it will be easier to understand how total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue can be calculated. Market structure. So TR is equal to price into quantity, but price fixation depends on market. So different markets have different types of price fixation. In perfect competition, the market determines price and all firms have to sell at this price, so it needs to be uniform. So in imperfect market, what are the imperfect markets? The monopoly, oligopoly and monopolistic competition. Having these terminologies comes into the imperfect market. So price is fixed by individual firms and the price needs to be same for all firms in such markets. So this is the basic concept for revenue and the market structure. Here we can see the graphical representation of it. Total revenue, average revenue, marginal revenue in imperfect competition. तो उसको अगर हम graphic representation देखते हैं तो total revenue is an inverted U-shaped curve. Average revenue is downward sloping. MR is also downward sloping. It lies between average revenue and cuts X. X is when total revenue is maximum and then becomes negative. So here you can see the blue line, light blue line as marginal revenue, red line is an average revenue, and TR is at maximum. So this is how it is explained graphically. This we come to an end of to this lecture, and in next lecture we will be continuing on market equilibriums and basic understanding on equilibrium.